Hey YouTube, Chris from Bluegrass Media here again, and today I'm going to be trying my first ever MRE. This is menu number 12, veggie burger with barbecue sauce, made by the Warnock Company in McAllen, Texas. It's a genuine MRE. I don't see a date code on the outside anywhere, so maybe there's one on the inside of the package. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what we got. I have to use my knife because apparently I'm not strong enough to open an MRE. Oh, there we go. Alright. We got the potato sticks. Not sure what those are. We got cinnamon scone, and the date code is 5186B, so I guess that would be packaged in 2005, either that or 2015. It's probably 2005 because I think this was given to me by a friend and it's several years old, so I think this is from 2005. We got the accessory pack. Raisins, yummy, love raisins. MRE spoon. I love how you get so much with these. Wheat snack bread. Another wheat snack bread. Lemon lime type 2 fortification D. Okay, drink mix. Beverage bag. Oh. Flameless ration heater. And the entree. Veggie burger and barbecue sauce, manufactured by Warnock Company. Let's see, date code. Date code 5175, so also packaged in 2005, I believe. Okay, I got a plate now, because I can't really put all this stuff on my desk. Oh, I also got my trusty canteen here. Guess we're going to go ahead and get the entree started here. Open up the package here. Keep in mind, this is the first time I've ever tried an MRE, so I am going to heat it up. I want the full MRE experience. Alright. And I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, you tear the top, okay. There we go. Sorry if I'm not keeping everything in frame here. Alright, I got my entree in the ration heater now. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in there to get the reaction going. Whoops. Yep, that's just... Yeah, I overfilled it a little teensy bit, but it should be okay. Put it inside of here. I do hear a little bit of a reaction happening. And it says you tip it up against a rock or something. So I'll just close my canteen back up and it'll serve as a rock. There we go. And see how long that takes to heat up. Now we'll get to the well, first let's open up the accessory pack just for fun. Well, there's a strong smell of mint, which I think is from the Chiclets gum here. We got a pack of matches, Tabasco sauce, which has seen better days. Don't think I'll be having that. Toilet paper, iodized salt, moist towelette, and iced tea drink mix. That looks good. Natural lemon flavor and sugar. Yep. Alright, I'll go ahead and open up my potato sticks and see what those are. Okay, they're like French fries, basically. Okay, so basically I got a burger and French fries. That's interesting. I've never seen these before. Potato sticks. I watched other videos where they did the same meal, and the potato, I don't recall seeing potato sticks in there, so that's interesting. Alright, now I want to open up my raisins. Something's got a smell here. Let me see, is it this? The potato sticks, there's a little bit of a potato smell to them, but there's also a very, I don't know how to describe it, kind of a stale smell. I don't know. It's hard to describe. The raisins smell perfect. They smell just like raisins should. Oh yeah, those are good. Look at those raisins. Yeah. Perfect raisins. Oh yeah. They're nice and pliable. They feel perfectly fresh. Oops, got more in there. Yep, that's all of them. Alright. Yeah. Those raisins are perfect. I haven't had raisins in a long time. Lemon lime drink mix. I'll try that later. I'm not going to use that right now. Yeah, that's starting to heat up. The bag's actually popping from the pressure. Let me try to put that back in. something's starting to happen in there. There's definitely some warmth. I know that some of these flameless ration heaters, they lose their effectiveness after a long time. This MRE, I'm pretty sure it's from 2005. Looks like this wheat snack bread is from the 196th day of 2005. So, it is not the freshest MRE in the world, but it should still be perfectly edible. And this is one of the wheat snack breads here. If I can get it open. Oxygen absorber, do not eat. This wheat snack bread smells good. Oh yeah, that is nice. It's good. It's a little bit. It's a little bit pliable still, flexible. It's not stale at all. That is perfect. All right, now we'll open up the other wheat snack bread. Oh, I just cut myself. Hang on, be right back. Oh, shoot. Oh, boy, that's not good. Oh, where'd I put my bandages? Okay, all better now. Typical. That's why I always keep plenty of first aid supplies around. I always do stuff like that. Alright. Other wheat snack bread, also perfectly fine. It smells good too. It's got almost a kind of a fruity smell to it. A little bit of a fruity smell. Now I'm going to try the, take out the cinnamon scone, which is also something I haven't seen before. Taking care not to slice myself open again. Okay, this one's a little cracked. It's got a little bit of crack to it. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Oh, that smells good. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is perfectly good. Alright. So I got my meal laid out here. I'm waiting for my food to get warm. It is heating up. It's got a weird smell, but I think that's from the whatever they put in here, the heating element or whatever. So, and I'm waiting on that to warm up. And, you know, just for the heck of it, I'll go ahead and make the lemon lime drink. Alright, we got the lemon lime or whatever it is drink mix in here. Now we need to put in 12 ounces of water. So fill to the 12 ounce line. The only thing I don't like about these canteens is the cap always gets in the way. Teensy bit more. There we go, 12 ounces. Now we seal it. it up. It's still, ooh, there's like chunks floating in there. That can't be good. Maybe it needs stirring or something, I don't know, but. Oh yeah, there's like a whole bunch of gunk floating at the bottom of the bag there. Yeesh. I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if I should drink this or not. Maybe I'll stick a spoon in there and try to stir it up or something. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab the spoon and try to stir this up. See if that helps it any. Well, that broke it up a good amount, but there's still some like gunk floating around in there. But it doesn't smell bad. There's a little bit of a plastic smell, but I think that's from the bag itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a drink of this. Yeah, my burger's still cooking, so I'm gonna take a drink of this and see how it tastes. Yeah, it definitely, there's a little bit of a lime taste, but it tastes really old, and the beverage mix, it just didn't hold up, unfortunately. I mean, it's not bad. I don't think I'm going to get sick from drinking it, but it's definitely not is what it I don't think it's what it should taste like. No. I'm just going to seal this up and set it off to the side. Laid the entree down on the just flat, and the water can get to all the whole heating element. Now I'm hearing it more crackling in there, so maybe it'll heat up more now. Oh yeah, that's really starting to heat up now. I can feel it. That's really warm. So yeah, it still works. I just didn't do it right. Okay, I think this is about as warm as it's going to get, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out of here now. Yeah, it's, the bag's, I don't know if that's condensation or what, or it might just be some water leaking out, but, I'm going to go ahead and take this out of here. Yeah, there's a weird smell, but I think that's from the heating element, not the food. That aside. Alright, I got it warmed up a little bit. It's not hot, but I think that's because this is the MRE is just so old. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up here. Try to anyway. Bag's slippery. It's a little wet, so I'm going to use my knife again. Alright, there we are. If you can see it in there. It smells interesting. I've never smelled anything like that before. So, let's go ahead and chow down. Ow. I'll cut myself on the package. Oh yeah, it's steaming a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go. Alright. Alright, I got my veggie burger with barbecue sauce. Well, it doesn't smell like anything I've ever smelled before. There is a little bit of a barbecue smell to it, but it's unusual, I'll admit that. So, go ahead and put my topping on here. And now go ahead and take a taste test. Here we go. Not bad. Doesn't have a whole lot of flavor. It's probably because it's so old. But doesn't taste like it went bad or anything. Oh wait, Veggie. Alright, I'm gonna try these potato sticks, whatever they are now. Yeah, the potato sticks aren't great. I think at one time they probably tasted just like French fries, but not anymore. They don't. They definitely lost something, or took on the taste of the bag they were in, or something. I don't know, but they lost something for sure. Let's try some raisins here. Oh, they do have a bit of a there's a little bit of a plasticky aftertaste. I think that's also from being in the bag, but definitely tastes like raisins. And now let's try this, whatever this is, cinnamon bread or something. It's got a very mild cinnamon taste to it. So I think it's also probably lost some taste over the years. It was probably better, you know, back when it was new, which, you know, probably goes without saying, but overall, for a meal that was packaged 11 years ago, and I don't know what conditions it was kept in. I know it was kept in a trailer with search and rescue supplies, outdoors, so it was not in a temperature controlled environment, unfortunately. So for an MRE that was not kept very well, this still is, I think, perfectly edible. It doesn't taste the greatest, but it'll fill you up and it'll keep you going. So that's 2005 MRE menu number 2. Or was it menu number 12? Menu number 12, sorry. Veggie burger with barbecue sauce. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Okay, after meal update. This was awful. This had not been kept well. It was stored in a trailer outdoors for I don't know how long, so it went through probably several summers, and the only thing I could really stomach was the cinnamon bread. The cinnamon bread was good. Everything else here is pretty much gone bad. I mean, I don't think it's harmful, but it tastes awful. The veggie burger, the wheat snack bread was kind of okay. It didn't really have any flavor, but the French fries, even with a ton of salt on them, they still taste really bad. The raisins have a bad aftertaste. The veggie burger is just inedible. So, oh good. I guess keep your MREs cool, otherwise this is what happens. What?